Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a kind of mini unboxing video as well as a first impression, so I'm kind of doing a combined one. I have two items here that I'm going to be unboxing. I haven't opened either of them. One is a new pair of shoes and the other one is a new bag. And then I also have another bag which I got from Polene, and I'm kind of going to do a very brief first impressions. I have decided to return that one, but I know there is a lot of buzz about this bag and this brand, so I thought I'd share my reasons why and show you the bag in case you are considering it as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get started. So first up are a pair of shoes. I've had these on my wish list for a little while now, so I'm super excited to have gotten them. I got them from Louise Vuitton, as you can probably see. And open them up. If I can, I probably should have bought scissors. I don't do a ton of unboxings anymore, so. Okay, I'm finally in. I don't know if you'll be able to see from the colour of the shoebox, but they are from Valentino. So we have the beautiful red box. I always love their shoe boxes so much. They're so beautiful and vibrant. And then you have the dust bag on the inside, as well as, I assume these are extra heel things. You see those. So these are the kitten heels. I've wanted another pair of kitten heels for a while. I already have these in black and I absolutely love them. They're some of my most worn shoes and heels. They are so comfortable. They're so much more comfortable than the flats and the high heel ones. I can literally last a whole day in them. So I really wanted to get another pair and I decided on this beautiful patent pink pair. They are very pale, so I think they're still going to work as a neutral. And I'm just so excited to have these. I think they are so stunning. And it's just a good amount of height as well. So they do give you a little bit of a boost, but as you can see, they aren't super high. So definitely I can walk all day in these. They are so comfortable right from the get-go as well. No breaking in required. I love these with dresses. I love them with jeans. I just find my black ones so versatile. So I'm so excited to have these. I think the color is beautiful and I just think these are so stunning. I did also want to mention that Louise Vuitton are currently having a sale, so you can get these for 15% off. You do need a discount code. The discount code isn't off absolutely everything, but a ton of brands are included, from Valentino to Manolo Blahnik is included as well, and they hardly ever are. And you can get 15% off the classic line. So I will leave the details of that sale and the discount code you'll need to shop it down below. I do also have a blog post with my picks from the sale, so I'll include that down below in the description section as well. This video is going to go live on Monday, I think, so you'll have 3 days left to shop it, I believe. But again, I'll put all the details there. But these at 15% off are even better. I'm so happy with them. I think they are absolutely stunning. And next up is a little bag reveal from Gucci. It's quite a small little box, so again, if you watch my wishlist video, you'll probably know what this is. Both these items were actually featured in that video. But I have been lusting after this one for a while. I like how compact they are with their packaging as well. Like, sometimes you just get overly big boxes, but everything's just nice and neat here. So you have their beautiful dust bag. Gucci dust bags are some of my favorite because the material is so silky and soft. And you can see that. It is the wallet on a chain. This is in the pale pink with the gold hardware. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. So you do just have the long chain. And then it opens. Oh my goodness, there's a mirror. I didn't even realize that. How clever is that? There's actually a mirror in the middle. Oh, I love that. Such a good idea. So you have a pocket here, a mirror right there, and then you have a zipper pocket here, as well as another larger compartment and some card slots as well. This is such a cleverly laid out wallet on chain. I've never seen a bag like this, but what a good idea. So you really have everything that you need for it to be a little wallet, clutch, just kind of everything rolled into one. I absolutely love that. I love the look of it before, but now I'm even more obsessed with that. How beautiful. I had been eyeing this up for a little while, and then Dan got me the card holder version of this, so the exact same leather and the exact same color, hardware, everything, and I've just been loving that so much, and it really kind of convinced me to pull the trigger on this one. I did get my Chanel wallet on a chain for Christmas as well, and I've been loving that. It really, I mean, I was a bit nervous about it because I tried that style before and it didn't work out for me a few years ago. I don't know what's changed, but I've been loving it so far, and that kind of convinced me to go for this one. I am so thrilled with it though. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and yeah, just could not be happier with this. And then finally, I wanted to talk about the Polene bag that I got. So this is the one that I got and I've decided to return. There is so much buzz about this brand at the moment, and I actually already own a bag from them. So I got this one when I was in Paris last, and I absolutely love it. I didn't try on the larger size, which is what this is, when I was there. I only was really looking at their smaller bags, and I decided on this one, and I've been really impressed with it. It's definitely very dinky, but I think it's absolutely adorable. The leather quality is beautiful, and for the price, I've just been very impressed with it. So I had a really good first impression with the brand, which is why I decided to try the larger one. But I've got to say that I'm not really overwhelmed with this, and I do want to say take this with a pinch of salt, because I have heard so many people say they have this and they absolutely love it. So I do feel like I'm in the minority here. I watched and read reviews about this bag, but no one mentioned the issue that I had with it. So maybe it's only this bag, or maybe it's just me, but this is just kind of my first impressions of it. It's very beautiful. It's a little bit heavier than I thought it would be. I don't know why. I thought it would be a bit lighter than it is. I do like the look of it. I decided to go for it in the black with the croc styling on the front, so I think it looks great in that sense, and it just kind of opens up. It's fairly roomy, but it's not, you know, particularly easy to open without unbuttoning the little kind of buttons at the front there, but you can fit a decent amount in. I want to be careful because this one is being returned. But my biggest issue with it, let me just close it. But my biggest issue with it is the handle. It is the stiffest handle ever, and I don't know if they did this on purpose. You'd have a really firm grip, but it's really stiff to the point where it's actually very uncomfortable. So regardless of whether you're going to put it kind of in the crook of your arm or if you're going to hold it like this, it's very, very hard. And I got Dan's opinion on this because I wasn't sure if I was going crazy, and he actually really liked the look of it as well, but he was like, wow, that leather handle is super stiff and hard. I don't know if this is something that might loosen up in time. I don't think it will though, because of the structure with it. But I just feel like, and this is completely empty, I feel like if it's this uncomfortable when it's empty, I don't think it's going to get any more comfortable if you're going to fill it with items. This may not apply if you're only planning on using it with the longer shoulder strap, but I would want to use it with the top handle, and I just can't imagine this being a very comfortable bag to carry. So if you have this bag and you like it, let me know if the top handle is the same with yours. I don't know if I just got an odd one or if it's maybe different with not the kind of croc effect. I'm not sure, but I just know I'm not going to reach for this if I find it uncomfortable. So I do still think it's really beautiful, and a little bit sad because I did really want to like it. But yeah, I think this is definitely a return for me. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. It was just a short one, but I just wanted to show you these few items. If you do have any questions for me, then leave them down below, but I will leave links to everything as well as that sale in the description section. I have been a little bit quiet on my channel recently. I'm sorry about that, but it's just been a really busy time with work, but hopefully it's beginning to calm down a little bit, so I'm hoping to get to more regular uploads soon. So thank you so much for your patience. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.